How to fix Snapchat kicking you out on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this problem on Snapchat. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go and open the settings of your phone. Then you will go directly to apps or application and you will search now for Snapchat app. And you will, when you found it, open it like this. Then go to storage. And on storage, go to clear data, then click OK and go back and click force tab and click OK. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.